In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Google Drive. Whether you're working with documents, images, or just navigating the interface, understanding how to adjust your view is crucial for a comfortable and efficient experience. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to note that Google Drive itself does not have a built-in zoom feature specific to the platform. However, there's a simple workaround that involves using your web browser's zoom capabilities. This method is universal across most browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and it allows you to zoom in and out of the entire page on which Google Drive is displayed. To zoom out and get a broader view, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Control key and the minus sign equal key simultaneously. You'll notice everything on your page getting smaller, providing a wider perspective of your files and folders. If at any time you find that things have gotten too small, you can easily zoom back in by pressing Ctrl and the plus sign plus key. This will enlarge everything on the page incrementally, allowing you to customize your view to your liking. What if you've adjusted so much that you'd like to return to the default view? That's simple too. Press Ctrl and 0 to reset the zoom level back to its original size. This is particularly useful if you've used zooming in or out multiple times and you're not quite sure of the exact size you started with. Now once you've got that sorted out on the main Google Drive interface, let's talk about previewing individual files. This is where things get a bit more specific. If you're reviewing files like PDFs, images, or Google Docs within Google Drive, a distinct zoom feature is usually incorporated into the toolbar that appears alongside these files. Look for icons resembling a magnifying glass. These are often accompanied by plus and minus symbols. To zoom out on these previews, simply click on the minus symbol located on the toolbar. This action will allow you to gradually minimize the preview size, making it possible to see more of the document or image at once. It's particularly handy for getting an overview of large documents or viewing the full composition of an image. Remember, mastering these simple commands can enhance your productivity significantly, making it easier to manage and view your content on Google Drive efficiently. So next time you're struggling to see things clearly or just need a better perspective on your files, these easy tricks will be your go-to solutions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your digital workspace.